Welcome. Welcome home to yourself. You know, self-affirmation activates brain systems associated with self-related processing, and reward is reinforced by future orientation. Take this time for yourself. I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I am safe.
I'm safe.
I am worthy.
I am worthy.
Every day that goes by, I am becoming more wiser, more confident,
I'm becoming
more present.
more confident.
I am
and more
aligned.
present.
I am wellness.
I am aligned.
I take the time out of my day to practice self-care, even if that only looks like 5 minutes today. I give that to myself.
To meditate and self-care.
I am well-being.
Even if that only looks like 5 minutes today.
I am a joyful beacon of light.
I am well-being.
Peaceful. I am loving.
I am a joyful
I am
beacon of
loved
light.
by the universal force.
I am loving.
I am here to learn.
I'm marveling.
I am co-creating a universe of magnificence. I am choosing to live my best life.
That's right.
I am abundant, and I am
All
grateful.
that is all that I am.
I'm thankful with
I
gratitude
am loved by universal
for all that
force.
is, for all that I am.